My Telenor app brings you a one-stop solution to manage your Telenor number with ease and convenience. You can simply download and install My Telenor app from Google Play Store or through App Store. All you have to do is type My Telenor app in the search bar to find the app. Tap on Install to download My Telenor app. Open the app, and if you are connected to 3G or 4G, you can simply tap on Sign In with 3G or 4G and start using the app straight away. If you are a Telenor user, you can also sign in with Connect. To sign in, just tap on Sign In with Connect. If you already have a Connect ID, enter your mobile number and password and tap on Sign In. If you do not have a Connect ID, you need to sign up for an account. To sign up, enter your mobile number in the field. A verification code will be sent to you via SMS on your Telenor number. Enter the verification code. Set your password. Mark the Terms and Conditions box and tap on Sign In to log into My Telenor app. Now you can log in into your app from another phone as well. You just have to enter your number and connect password for logging in. If you are a non-Telenor user, tap on Non-Telenor User to explore My Telenor app for free or shop with us to buy our 4G Wi-Fi devices and handsets. Now you are all set to experience My Telenor app and manage your account with ease.